Obesity has been recognized as a global problem, a global epidemic. So it's not just in our nation of Canada, but it's global, worldwide.
In Canada, overall about 1/4 of our kids are either what we call overweight or obese.
There's hardly any data talking about the rate of overweight and obesity in our child population.
The number of young kids presenting with obesity, with weight excess, has been increasing markedly also. And the single most important risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes is weight excess. There are several causes that are linked to the decrease in our exercise, in our physical activity. We are just sitting there. That are linked to what we eat, how much we eat and how we eat it.
I developed this study. The idea came about 3 years ago when I moved to Prince George to help with the North American program. What we're hoping to achieve is eventually to use these as potential early indicator for the development of chronic disease such as type 2 diabetes, because this is a type of disease that can be prevented. This is something that I'm trying to develop as a longitudinal studies to try and identify potential early indicators that as healthcare professionals, you could use that to identify individuals that might be at risk of developing disease such as type 2 diabetes.
Well, the treatment options are not that easy. I mean, we have to try to improve the weight, or try to change the lifestyle, making them more active, or we have medications for type 2 diabetes, but this is all quite difficult. This is not something which is straightforward. So you really want to prevent it. It involves changing the lifestyle of the child. It also involves changing the lifestyle of the whole family.
My daughter likes to play because dad likes to play. When you show them that it's good and you're active, they're more likely to be active. And they need help. They need help being coached. They're going to develop skills. So that's the best single way. Be active with them.
Good job, okay.
It's going to save the health budget billions of dollars because kids learn to be physically active, and one of the best preventions for things like obesity, diabetes, is actual physical activity.
This is not something that I can do by myself, but with the support of Vancouver Foundation as a community foundation, it's wonderful. It shows the goodwill of every member of the society willing to work together as a team to combat this disease.